Hello.
Yo, make sure you look on the foot them, you know, a karachi kick a dick. Yo, watch it, you know. Watch your man. Don't get me grumpy, no boy. Me a warn you, no boy. Must have trouble, it set like rain. Hey, watch it, no boy.
Hey boy, cross the line. Cross the... Hey. You warn you, no boy.
El diablo, pero yo nunca había visto unos tenis así.
Que son duros, se llaman Gucci.
El diablo, pero qué maldito tenis.
¿Tú lo quieres?
No es que lo quiero, pa.
Hey sir, could you give me the directions to Reggae Falls?
Reggae Falls. Okay. So you have to go
To
down the
blow.
road. And then you go bus a right, bus a left, bus a right, bus a left. Past 16 mango tree, go down and come up back. And you find Reggae Falls, man.
Thank you for the accurate information.
Remember bus a right.
Yeah. Sorry, please sit down. How
I'm fine, doctor.
do you care for some plantain?
No.
Okay. Why do you wanna see doctor?
I want to have my virginity back.
Eh?
I want to be a virgin again.
You wanna go back to virginity? Oh, you are not a virgin. Okay. I'm gonna fix it. Open your legs. Do your leg like this. I'm gonna use this thread and this needle. I'm gonna sew it. Yeah, everything's gonna be tight now. It's gonna be tight. Open it well. Open it well. Open it well.
Doctor.
What noise is that? What sound is that? Focus, okay? Why is water coming out?
That's true. We always tell about trace a man. I rub sure.
Can you tell me you saw the liquor? What current in your body? Brother?
I don't know. Which one?
I must have tell you the trick.
Hey boy, you don't know say enough come on here, so. But by the way, why you here doing here, so? You're not supposed to do on here, so. Sight. Someone the eye just talk up, you know, cause if the eye don't talk up, the eye will get some slap. So what the eye deal with? So anyway, ask you again. What the eye I do on here, so?
I'm not really from here, you know, boy. I'm just a little Trinidad guy. Come to check a data, but me no see her. So me no know what the eye I deal with. Yes, I.
Anyway, Master Chinny, you have to go take care of yourself. You see me?
This man.
We have the young man swinging. Hold on, sir. Hold on to the party. Hold on, sir. And we are going. And we to hold him. God, no. I look at now. We're wicked those things. I don't know.
Hello.
No woman no want me. No look me. No woman no call to me and say, Dred, come here. Me love you, you know. And you me don't want me, you know. Come make you go over here so go drink something and talk. And me up here, hello, I.
Go in the store for buy 10 from your pickly them. When I do pick up the 10, I see Brenda and Shama watching me. What is God they watching me for? When I ask you what she watching me for, she want a problem right away, oh God. Talk
Yeah, man. Puppy, we are going now. Are we jumping now? Come on, ready now. What this, sir? You get it? That message, me a mad murderer, me a carry. Me a ramp with people. You let me mother, I want some ramp with people. Yeah.
My girlfriend called me and tell me say she a goat. And I must buy some nails here. I stop at the hardware, I buy 2 pounds of zinc nail and pound of wire nail. And when me bring the nail come here, she vex. Me don't know where she vex, sir. Me never bring the concrete nail. But anyway, I don't saw man stay. I can't please them.
Hi guys, my name is London45 and my friend Rasta have the phone videoing me. Say something, Rasta.
You say what month you born again? You say November, right?
Yeah.
Yes, stinging. Yes.
Oh,
Scorpion. Yes,
Rasta.
stinging.
Oh, look.
Yeah,
you're
but
not planting it good and me plant it better.
don't.
Point it to my bottom now.
You see how a scorpion a behave? Yeah, same way the scorpion moving up. The scorpion stinging.
What? You like it, Rasta?
Yeah, but you're a good businesswoman all the same. You don't
baby.
see.
Hello, good morning, Deacon.
Good morning, Pastor. How you doing?
I'm alright.
Okay.
I'm Deacon.
Yes.
I call you to let you know that I'm turning over the church into your control. The offering, the church bus, the church cars, everything will be turned over to you, Deacon. Everything.
You serious, Pastor?
Yes, I'm very serious. And as we speak, I'm signing all documents right now. And I will be faxing over some documents for you to sign also.
Thank you so much, Pastor. I'm a dream about this every time, Pastor. Thank you.
Deacon, calm down, man.
Yeah, me calm, Pastor. Me calm down.
Today is April Fool's Day.
Really, Pastor? Really?
I say you will want to control church. You will want to control offering.
Go on, my
hello?
phone,
Deacon? A joke, Deacon?
Kasongo, yeah. Mombali nanga.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yeah, man, you know what type of evil we be, you know? Yeah.
I will make it blush.
I'm Billy, man. I'm Billy from the original, you know?
Why blood? Why blood?
Ketchup on the pepper.
Alright, I blood.
Yeah, man, I'm Billy different, man, you know? I know where I come from. You see me? Yeah. Them, you say them a fool, man. Tell me, I tell you, yes, sir.
Say, where your friend Radigan there?
Radigan, I'm in name Radigan, man. That's how I call myself in name Radigan, you know? Yeah, man, I'm in name Radigan. I'm here at nobody, man. Yeah, man. That's why I tell you, I should have looked at that go on the Billy. You must know a power where I come from, you know. That means I say for the team got all the power. But I better, you know, but different people have a power. So you're going, brother. You want to have the power now, go have it, you know.
Oh no!
Aduh, bobo. Wajib paham itu.
You don't have future here. You don't have future. You can never make
How are you?
Never.
5 years of madness.
I can't tell you, no. We got a boy, you know. The man say every time him drink oats, you know, run him belly. And I said, no, sir, something in the right. The man say every time him drink oats, run him belly. So one day, I'm go to man, you go see man and mix oats, you know, and Lasco. And I say, Lord God Almighty, master. I say, a man use 1 spoon of Lasco. Mix one big cup of oats, you know. I say, my youth, this running belly all over hill. Let me say, the man use 1 big cup of Lasco and water, you know. Let me say, man, I tell the people. 1 big cup of oats and water. And 1 little spoon of Alaska the man use. When the man them buy Alaska, for them, 1 pack of Alaska must serve them all 1 week. But that's 2 drinks in the night for me. Tell me, man, that you run the belly all over hill. Tell me, show him how to deal with it. Well, he end up love it now, he don't got no more run belly. But man, drink Alaska water. And I expect the boy say, the belly go run. The belly go run. 1 pack of Alaska, look if you can get 3 mix out tight, depends on where you mix. And 1 and 2 mix now 1 pack of Alaska. I'm drink Alaska every day, no. Jesus Christ. Jazz man. I drink Alaska every day, no, just like Pepsi. No, I drink Alaska every day, every single day I drink Alaska. But I get enough Alaska bag can make 1 suit, can make 3-piece suit. Let me say. One day I have to burn up some. So I got enough Alaska bag can make 3-piece suit. With all underpants too. Bad chunk. How you ask man? All shoes. How you ask man? So I say you have to run you out of my hill. I'm sure him. You got no more problem. I can tell you now.
You think if we tackle this easy bread for broke natty man? You think it take boy if we do this? Lord.
Where they come from, send it back, send it back. Every evil arrow, anywhere he come from, send it back. If a China, if a Jamaica, if a Haiti, where he come from, we send it back. Turn, reverse the curse, reverse the curse. Reverse the order. Reverse the curse. Reverse the order. Somebody say, reverse the curse. Yeah. Reverse the order. Somebody reverse the curse. Aye. Reverse the order over Jamaica. Reverse the curse, mighty God. Reverse the order. Yeah. If a king's house, if a God the host, if a the prime minister, if I the opposition.